So here's a little review on adding and subtracting fractions. To add or subtract fractions, we need a common denominator. A common denominator is where the bottom of the fraction, so the denominator, is the same for all fractions. So that could be like 1/2 and 3/2. The denominator is 2 in each of those, and so it's the same, so we call that a common denominator. Now when adding fractions that have a common denominator, we add the numerators and keep the denominator. So 1/3 plus 2/3, add the top to make 3, and the bottom stays. So this is 3/3, which reduces to 1. If I have 2/6 plus 7/6, 2 plus 7 is 9, and the bottom stays the same, reduce my fraction to get 3/2. To get a common denominator, we're going to use the least common multiple, or we're going to multiply the denominators together. Either one is fine. So between 3/4 and 1/8, I know that 4 goes into 8, so I'm going to use the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So I want a common denominator of 8. To turn 4 into 8, I need to multiply by 2. And what you do to the bottom of a fraction, you have to do to the top of the fraction. 2/2 is 1, so I'm not changing the value here, I'm just changing what it looks like. So then I get 6/8 plus 1/8 is 7/8. Now for 5/7 and 4/9, for those two, I know they don't have an LCM that is really close, so I can't just double one of them to get the other. So I'm going to take the denominator of the other fraction and multiply by top and bottom. So for this 7, I need to multiply by 9/9. And for the fraction with denominator 9, I'm going to multiply by 7/7. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 7 is 63. 7 times 4 is 28. And 9 times 7 is 63. I have common denominators now, so add the numerators to get 73/63. And 73 is prime, so we cannot reduce that one.